Hi guys. So now that you have one of your major essays under your belt, I'm going to introduce our next big essay, the literary analysis, where you are going to write an analysis of Agatha Christie's And Then There Were None. So some kind of general um, guidelines is that it is your use of MLA format, which is 12 point Times New Roman, and MLA style. You'll have a works cited page with the novel. No outside research is necessary, but the assignment specifically is to write an analysis of And Then There Were None. To do or to write that literary analysis, I'm asking you to choose one of our literary elements and determine the significance, purpose, or meaning made through the use of that literary element. You'll support your claim or your thesis with specific examples, paraphrases, and textual evidence or quoted passages from the text. So keep in mind that I have given you guys a bunch of literary devices, those elements of literature that we talked about at the very beginning of our unit, like imagery, symbolism, motifs, gender or cultural stereotypes, major analysis of a character, a minor character analysis, foil character analysis, analysis of title or names, which could also lend itself with a character analysis, a setting analysis, or something else that strikes your fancy that you've kind of thought of and developed based on class discussion or kind of lecture. So basically, you are choosing something from the text, something specific, to write your literary analysis. Some general expectations that there is no outside research required. However, should you cite something that does not come directly originally from your brain, that should be included in your works cited works cited page. Follow the example of the outlines and the sample essays from class. Use integrated direct quotations, which we're going to talk about this week. Answer the so what question, what theme is developed, what is the meaning behind the use of that element, MLA guidelines, etc. And then, of course, your length of your essay should be 4 to 5 pages. And I'm sorry, that does not include your works cited page. So altogether, you should have about 4 pages of a written literary analysis. Okay. The rough draft is due on the 18th of October, so a bit away. And then your final essay is due on the 1st of November. So that is the assignment in a nutshell. We'll talk more about that in the upcoming weeks, but you have kind of the basis and the gist of the assignment. So keep that in mind as we move through the next couple of weeks and the next couple of lecture series to get kind of an idea of where you want to go with your next paper. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. And I'll be happy to kind of talk over any kind of idea that you may have for your paper.